The 1980s and 90s were the golden age of desk toys. You could buy all kinds of psychedelic lamps, unique clocks, handheld games, and even chess robots. In this video, I am showing you two UV-reactive automatic marble run clocks. They use an arm to put a ball on the top track every minute that goes by. These were made in various colors. They are rare, but you may be able to find them on eBay.